Hey guys, today we're going to update Brutus enclosure. Medyo maliit kasi sa kanya ito. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Okay guys, so let's take him out and put him in his new enclosure. So I hope he will like it. Okay, halika na. Let's go, Brutus. Let's go to your new enclosure. Okay. Here you go. How do you like it, my boy? Okay, enjoy your new enclosure. It's time to dig, dig, dig. Go, go! Ayan guys, at nagsimula na siyang maghukay dito sa may gilid malapit sa may halaman. Gusto ko sanang dito siya sa may bandang harapan, kaso mas gusto niya yata dun sa bandang likod dahil medyo tago. And I hope na hindi siya mahirapan ngayon dito sa kanyang bagong enclosure guys. Nagustuhan niyo ba guys yung ginawa ko ngayon dito sa kanyang bagong enclosure? And meron na siyang water fountain doon sa may corner. And yan, naguhukay-hukay na siya. Medyo nagustuhan niya yung spot na yan. And sana ma-explore niya rin yung ibang place na pwede siyang maghukay. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed our video today guys. See you on our next video. Bye!